Izakaya is like Japanese style pub. You can have plenty of beer and all different type of casual meal. Everything goes very well with beer. I could say Izakaya is like the coolest culture in Japan. So I'm going to show you how to make Izakaya menu at your home. Today, I'm going to use this chicken thigh to make 5 different type of yakitori. Yakitori means grilled chicken and also refers to skewered food in general, usually available in izakaya restaurants. First, I'm gonna make 2 type of sauce. Salty green onion sauce is very good with yakitori. We're gonna use green onion, garlic, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of chicken broth mix, salt and pepper. Cut green onion into fine pieces. Grate garlic with a grater and put it in a bowl. Add chicken broth mix, salt and pepper, and sesame oil. And mix. Next sauce is called tare in Japanese. It's like a teriyaki sauce. We're gonna use 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of mirin. Put all ingredients into the pan. Cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Once the sauce is made, next we're gonna make the basic yakitori. We're gonna use chicken thigh and bamboo skewers. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Set up the chicken on the skewer. This is the basic yakitori, and we're gonna make another kind. It's a skewer with alternating green onions and chicken. Cut white and light green part of green onion into bite-sized pieces. Seal up the chicken on the skewer. Alternate with a piece of green onion. This is called negima. Lastly, we're gonna make meatball skewer. We're gonna use chicken thigh, bamboo skewers, green onion, ginger, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mince the chicken thigh using food processor. Cut green onion into fine pieces. Grate ginger with a grater and add it in the bowl. Add green onions, sake, soy sauce, and mix. Use your hand to knead well. Toss mixture between your hands and form into oval shape. Place the skewers on your grill. Wrap the skewers with aluminum foil to prevent burning. Broil on medium-high heat for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, turn off the heat and season with salt and pepper. Brush sauce on one of the skewers to make sauce-flavored skewer. Also brush sauce on the meatball skewer. Broil another 4 minutes. Brush sauce on the meatball skewer and sauce flavor skewer again to finish. Alright, my dinner is ready. Prepare your own beer. It's so cold now. Look at that. Kanpai! So first, I'm gonna eat salt standard flavor. いただきます。おいしい。It's very delicious. So juicy. And I'm gonna try tare. It's sauce flavor. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to eat tsukune. Like this. Dip it to the egg yolk. It's so good. I love this. If you have time at home, please try it. The process to make yakitori is also fun. I recommend you to make yakitori with your friends and family and kids. It's gonna be very fun. So if you liked my recipe, please try at home sometime. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Kanpai!